How you going? We've got Cam Brown, is it?
Yeah, correct.
How you going, Cam?
Yeah, good, thanks. How are you?
Not too bad, mate. How you been faring in the races today?
Yeah, not too bad, thanks. Going forwards, which is good. I'm a notoriously bad qualifier, so just enjoy going forwards and finishing in the top 10 the last 2 races. So hopefully keep going forwards in the last one.
Well, if you start at the back and then go forwards, you feel like you're going 100 miles an hour. Those starts are always loud with the V8s.
Yeah, it always happens.
So what's your background, Cam?
So I've done a bit of karting, endurance karting when I was a younger kid, and then back in 2018 my friend built a car and I thought, you know what, why not get involved? So I've been racing XLs for a couple of years now and I love it, it's great fun.
Where have you placed in the last few championships?
Last championship I finished up 6th, and yeah, that's just trying to get my solid top 10 finishes and be consistent.
That's a good result for your first round, for first championship.
Yeah.
So what's the plan? Are you sort of using this as a stepping stone, or using this as just to sort of improve your skills, or what do you want to do?
I'm pretty happy just racing XLs. I'd love to get stuck into some other things, but me and my old man both race XLs, and we've got a good setup at home, so pretty happy in the series at the moment.
Yeah, because I've noticed you've got 2-car team.
That's right. Yeah.
So that's a big commitment.
Yeah, that's for sure.
So do you do any of the work on the car yourself at all?
Yeah, do it all ourselves. We've got a good setup at home, so we're very lucky. But yeah, we do a bit of work between rounds. It's mostly just setup stuff, tweaking if we have any issues. But yeah, we do it all ourselves.
So do you do any work between races or anything like that, or you get it set up beforehand and?
Yeah, try and set up what we can before the race each time before we get here. But there's only so much you can do. You know, the track conditions are always so different, especially here. I noticed like last round we came with basically the setup this time, and it's completely different. There's only so much you can do.
Yeah, I've been hearing that it's a bit greasy out there today.
Yeah, exactly right. We struggled in qualifying. You know, it was only short qualifying. It was not happening for us, so it's got better as the days go on, which is good.
So you placed. What did you place in the last race?
8th. We were three abreast across the finish line, so hoping to move up into 7th and 6th in the next one.
You probably would have had Monique Skibiris behind you.
Yeah, just behind me. Correct.
She's a bit of a hard charger, isn't she?
She's always a hard charger, and we always have a good battle.
Yeah, no, she's a good racer. So it's good when you can get 3 or 4 of you battling for a position and together.
Exactly right. And, there's always people that you can race hard with, hard and fair, and it's good being in a series like this.
Yeah, that bump and run technique that's used in supercars by a certain team.
Yeah,
it's dirty racing. You've got to race clean and fair.
No, that's exactly right, and especially when it's it's your own money on the line and your own time and your own effort on the line. So you got to take precautions.
You've taken your race driver hat off there and put on your team manager hat.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Well, that's a good skill, or a good skill to have as a racer, to be able to think of the costs of it as well.
Oh yeah, after being around for a few years, you learn your lesson the hard way, I suppose.
Yeah, that's it. So, mate, we've still got another race here. Where are you starting this race? Is it 6th?
Starting out at 8th.
8th?
Yeah.
Mate, we should see you up the pointy end with the front runners.
Yeah, hope so.
Mate, we see you out there on the track. Thanks for your time.